Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on tax filing fees with Jackson Hewitt. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on tax filing fees with Jackson Hewitt, first, visit the Jackson Hewitt website. Look for the section that offers online tax filing options. Select the plan that suits your needs best. Review the features included in each plan to find the one that provides the maximum savings. Create an account by entering your email address and a secure password. Once registered, log in to your new account. Begin the tax filing process by following the on-screen prompts. Gather all necessary documents, such as W-2s, 1099s, and any applicable receipts. Enter your income information carefully, as accuracy is crucial. Next, input your deductions and credits to ensure you're maximizing your refund. Utilize any available tools and calculators provided by Jackson Hewitt to further reduce your filing costs. If you have questions, use the live chat feature for quick assistance from a tax professional. Once you've completed your return, review all information carefully for errors. When satisfied, submit your tax return electronically. Keep a record of your submission for future reference. Consider opting for direct deposit to receive your refund faster. If you qualify for promotional discounts, apply those at checkout to lower your fees. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with filing your taxes confidently and affordably. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.